So we are less than 5 minutes away from close right now, and Palantir stock is down over 2.5% as the entire stock market is selling off as well in anticipation of earnings from some of the biggest companies in the world, including Microsoft and Meta. So guys, we have to break down Palantir, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that is a no-brainer. So check out the link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So check it out. Now we're less than 3 minutes away from close, and Palantir stock is down over 2%. Actually now 2.75%. So we're almost down 3%, and we've started slipping quite aggressively, may I add, ever since about 12:30 to 1 p.m. East Coast time. That's when we started selling off pretty aggressively here on PLTR from $44.71, and we hit a low about a half hour ago of $43.60. So we did go down, not a crazy amount, but about 2.5% from top to bottom today, and it looks like we are under both moving averages, which will likely remain into close right now, and we do have a death cross, which is not the best sign here on the intraday, and we did officially take out the lows from yesterday with this move today, right? And from the last day for that matter, which was on Monday. So we broke under the lows from Tuesday and from Monday, and the little downtrend, quote unquote, obviously we're still uptrending in the grand scheme of things, but the downtrend over the last couple of days remains intact. If I show you guys this channel right here, let me draw it out, give you guys a bit of a visual. You guys see that right there? We're still obviously in this channel, and now officially we are down from Monday's all-time high, which we hit in the pre-market, 47.75 or 45.75, excuse me. We're down almost 4.5%. Nothing crazy, quite frankly. It's really nothing, but we are down almost 5% off the high from Monday. And on the 10-day 30-minute, let me pull this up. You guys can see that channel even further. And now we are trading under both moving averages on this 30-minute, maybe on the 1 hour. Actually, no, not on the 1 hour. On this one, we are under the 50 SMA, and boom, there goes the bell, guys. There goes the bell. We went down 2.75% officially. And yeah, on the 1 hour, we're above the 180 SMA, which this chart right here, guys, goes to show that this is obviously still uptrending and that this was a healthy pullback before earnings. If you guys didn't know, earnings are on, I believe, Monday. I'm pretty sure the 4th of November is Monday. Let me pull this up. I'm popping up my calendar right here. I don't care what's new in calendar, Apple. I'm sorry right now. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, the 4th is Monday. 4th of November is Monday. So, guys, yeah, we have about exactly 2 trading days left until Monday, until Palantir reports these numbers, which I think they're after the bell. So I guess we have 3 trading days if you're including Monday. But yeah, it's getting real. It's that time, and I think this pullback is healthy heading into earnings. And again, we are above the 180 SMA right now. That's a very good sign. That's held all throughout the last couple of weeks, pretty much this whole month. So as long as we're above this moving average, the bulls are going to be in charge, right? And here on the 4-hour chart, obviously, where we're uptrending, nobody's denying that. We're above both moving averages on the 4-hour chart here. well above the 180 and slightly above the 50 SMA, which is at about 43.50. We held that today. But if we do fall under this 50 SMA here, guys, if we fall under 43.50, I'm actually going to set my alert there right now. Might as well. Let me do that. Mark is at or above $43, or below rather, $43.50. If we fall through there, this gap right here could fill. Keyword is could. Nothing's guaranteed. We don't know exactly, but we might be going down, start slipping down towards $39.80, $40 flat. That could be a spot where we see a more substantial pullback, if you will, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's see what it does, man. Either way, even if it did go down to $40, guys, $41, it would still be in an uptrend. It would still be holding the 180 SMA, which has held as support for months now. So either way, the bulls are still heavily in a position of power right now in this stock. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. I'm very curious where your head's at. And by the way, have you joined the email list yet? Have you signed up yet? It is literally free. I'm sending you all my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. Just use that link in the description box down below. Put your first name and your email address, and boom, no spam, no BS, just straight up value right to your inbox every Monday, and it's free. Guys, it can't get any better than that. So check out that link right down below. And yeah, let's break down these indexes very quickly for a minute or two here. Then we'll wrap up this video. By the way, guys, hit that like button as well while you're at it. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. I appreciate the support. So SPY, which tracks the S&P 500, is holding flat, holding pretty flat right now. In this channel, which it has been for a couple of weeks now. You can see that here. And on Triple Q, we went down 0.75% today, and it broke out of the channel momentarily yesterday, but now we're back in it. We can see it's awaiting earnings from Microsoft and Meta, which I will cover. Actually, you might be seeing this video after the video where I cover the earnings. Either way, if you didn't see that video, it's going to be the one before this one, so go check it out. We broke down a bunch of companies, Meta, Microsoft, I forget what other ones, but yeah, go check out that video. It's before this one. But yeah, we're back in this channel on Triple Q. SPY's in the channel still, and the Russell and Dow are continuing the sell-off that both of the indexes have seen over the course of the last roughly 2 weeks right now. The Russell is down about 100, or not even 150, more like points off the highs, and the Dow Jones, not much, but it is down about, let's see, 1,100 points, 1,200 points. All right, nothing crazy considering how much it's up throughout the course of this year, right, guys? So, yeah, we're going to get the earnings. Right now, it's 4:05 p.m. East Coast time. So we're about to get those earnings, but again, we covered them in the last video you all probably saw. So it looks like Meta's actually, I'm not going to cover them in this video, but we'll take a glance. Meta is collapsing right now. Earnings probably just came out. Obviously, it's down $16 initially. Again, it's 4:05 p.m. right now. So Meta's down a good chunk, and Microsoft is up. All right, Microsoft's up. So we got the initial look at the stocks. Pretty interesting. But again, go check out the video from earlier to see the actual earnings that they reported. So guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon, where I'm building out my private portfolio. You get access to the Discord. All of that, guys, is on Patreon. Link down below. Or go to StockSurfest.com/Patreon. And again, shout out to everybody that's been joining. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.